Deep cleaning on Acer Aspire E5-573 laptop. Thank you, ma'am Isa, for trusting PEPIT Solutions. The Acer Aspire E5-573 laptop was subjected to a complete deep cleaning service to restore its cooling performance, prevent overheating, and ensure smooth overall operation. Over time, dust and dirt had accumulated inside the system, especially around the cooling fan, heat sink, and ventilation grills. This buildup restricted airflow, forced the fan to run at higher speeds, and led to increased internal temperatures, which can slow down performance and potentially damage sensitive components if left unaddressed. To properly carry out the cleaning, the laptop was carefully disassembled to access the internal parts. Dust and debris were removed from the fan blades, exhaust vents, and heatsink fins using specialized cleaning tools and compressed air. The internal surfaces and circuit boards were also cleaned to eliminate any buildup that could interfere with airflow or cause thermal stress. As part of the procedure, the old thermal paste applied to the CPU was replaced with a new, high-quality thermal compound to improve heat transfer between the processor and the heatsink. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.